This is one of those cars that when you get, if you get a Phantom, you gotta sit in the back. You gotta sit in the back. You don't drive a Phantom.
You are.
This is one of those cars that when you get, if you get a Phantom, you gotta sit in the back. You gotta sit in the back. You don't drive a Phantom. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, if you're tapping into the video right now, I think that this is kind of a long video, so I might make this the start of part 2 of this video. I'm actually crossing over to the second half of the auto show. We've already done one half of it, and I'm currently over here by the luxuries, currently in the Nissan section, but there's the Lincolns, the Rolls Royces, I believe on the other side. So we're gonna make this part 2 of this video, all right? Because I just don't want to have you guys looking at a 20-minute video, all right? It's a lot of cars here, and there's no way I can capture all of them, all right? But that being said, let's go ahead and get into some of the cars that are right here around me right now. Got the big boy Lincolns over here, guys.
I think I need one too.
I think I need one.
It's got more than my truck does.
I like the seats how they're.
This is nice.
I know, it's like
What size screen is that?
big. I don't know.
He'll know.
Oh,
Right next to you.
Hey, buddy.
Look at these premium seats,
Hey,
man.
How big is that screen?
Yeah. How big is that?
Let's look at these seats, guys.
Shit, that's bigger than my truck.
They got this one locked down, but this one is crazy. Aviator. The design elements on that bad boy is crazy. And again, look at the seats. Look at the seats. That's ridiculous. The handle is also integrated. This doesn't move. There's a button here to actually enter the vehicle when it's unlocked. That's nice. I like that. Check out the Lexus LS 500.
No, we got up to 20.
It's like a Camaro,
you gotta go. Where are they?
got their full Lexus lineup out here today, guys. Look at the new Rolls Royce. Woo-wee. See the MSRP, right? You see the MSRP. That's the Ghost. If you guys remember, I told y'all my next dream car, my ultimate dream car, Royce Wraith, alright? I drove Tori's Ghost, and the Ghost is nice. But I don't know, it's something about that two-door coupe that's crazy. I'm gonna get to the Ghost in a second, because right here, next to this Ghost, they got the Phantom, and they have the Wraith. So I'm gonna show you guys legendary vehicles, legendary cars. Look at the Phantom. Legendary. 576,000 MSRP. This is one of those cars that when you get, if you get a Phantom, you gotta sit in the back. You gotta sit in the back. You don't drive a Phantom. Here it is. Here she is, that Royce Wraith. There's something about that Wraith that just hits different for me, man. The Ghost in the Wraith is the Ghost in the Wraith is the exact same vehicle except it has a back seat. It's crazy. 387,000. So you would say what, 125K? I think if my math is alright, I can't remember exactly how much the Ghost was. Then you got the Rolls Royce Dunn. 382. Same as the Wraith, except it got a convertible on the back of it. You can take the top off. It's crazy vehicles, man. Crazy vehicles. The Dunn also has less horsepower, and I think it has it has less horsepower, but it has like the exact same top speed. I'm not sure. Oh wait, it's actually on the thing here. Yeah. So the Rolls Royce Wraith 623 horsepower. The Dunn is 563 horsepower, and they both get 155 at top speed. So crazy vehicles, guys. Crazy vehicles. I'm going to the opposite side. I'm going to the opposite side. Well, actually, there's more Rolls Royces down here. Y'all know what this is. That big Rolls Royce Cullinan. Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. This is nice. It's nice for sure. That Rolls Royce Cullinan, 410K, the big boy of the lineup. Then you got the Aston Martins parked next to it. And you know what's crazy, guys, is when I look at the Aston Martin SUV, I am not impressed. I'm just not impressed with the Aston Martin SUV. It gives me Porsche vibes, but it's just, I don't know. I wouldn't buy the Aston Martin SUV. It's just not hitting it. It's just not touching anything aesthetically. It doesn't give big boy vibes for real. I got a single Maserati over here. Got the Maserati over here. Mazzy clean. And this isn't one of the cheap Mazzies either. Once upon a time I wanted a Maserati, guys. And I was looking into it and I found out about the Ghibli and how much they pretty much utilize a lot of Chrysler parts and put it inside of it. And I was just like, alright, I'm kind of done with Mazzies. But yeah. Here's another Cullinan Rolls Royce. And if you get a Rolls Royce, in my personal opinion, it gotta be white, man. The white just hits a lot different. A Rolls Royce Cullinan, big boy. Sheesh. $426,000.
Do you ever think Rolls would make an SUV?
And then they come out with the Cullinan, right?
Wow. Really
Beautiful car.
I want to be in it right now.
Yeah, this is the one that... And listen, I know that we're getting to the new age, but Rolls Royce, these wheels are not it. Looks like it's giving me electric EV vibes. It's giving me Hyundai, you know, that's, you know, yeah, I'm not feeling the wheels at all. Here's another Aston. 331K right here. Then you got last over here on this side, the Bentley Bentayga, 272,000. You gotta have some money to play with these cars, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta have some bread to play. Here's one of the most iconic Bentleys. Bentley Continental. You see these a lot around Atlanta. Bentley Continental. $336,000, ladies and gentlemen. Lamborghini Urus, 247K.
The 60 in the first of 7, and then we have our concept 89 there for you to take a look at in regard to how big we're going to go with the size of electric vehicles.
We got a Uber.
Then you got the Huracan,
But then again, we have skates, everyone.
318,000.
Some autographs, we've got some little things we're passing out there as well as some koozies. And we've got tickets to a future game, so while supplies last, come by and see.
Another Huracan, STO, 327,000.
Thanks again for coming by Kia.
If I'm in the market for a Lamborghini, I'm gonna get this over there. Just pay the extra, what, $9,000? Pay the extra $9,000, I'm getting this. For sure. Get the Kia concept. I like the wheels. That's unique for sure. It's long, it's big, it has a very clean interior. I don't even know if you guys can see that on the inside. It's a very clean, unique interior. GMC is last up on the list, ladies and gentlemen. Nice Denali, 2022.
So I mean, if you want to go reverse it, yeah.
Big boy trucks. Bringing the Hummer back, but this time it's a Hummer EV. Check this out. That's dope. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm actually gonna be calling it at this point. I pretty much seen a really good amount of cars here. Great auto show nonetheless. If you're still tapped in, still tuned in right now, go ahead and hit a like on this video. Drop a comment down below and let me know which one of those cars you saw in today's video is your favorite, alright? Is it the Lambo? Is it the McLaren? I'm sorry, not McLaren. Is it the Aston Martin? Is it the Bentley? Is it the Royce Wraith? Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think, alright? If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm about 125 subscribers away, guys, from being at the illustrious 1,000. So, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Find your way back to more James Atkins content, James Atkins TV content. And until next time, guys, it's your boy, James Atkins TV. Yeah.